What if a young girl's love for animals could change the world? This is the story of Dr. Jane Goodall. Born in the heart of London, England in the year 1934, Jane Goodall was not your average child. Her fascination for animals sprung to life at an incredibly tender age. While other children her age played with dolls and toy cars, Jane found solace in the company of a stuffed chimpanzee, a plush toy she affectionately named Jubilee. Jubilee wasn't merely a plaything but the spark that ignited Jane's lifelong interest in primates. As Jane grew, so did her curiosity. She began devouring books about animals and wildlife, feeding her young mind with knowledge and dreams of adventure. Little did she know, her childhood infatuation would evolve into a groundbreaking career, making her a beacon of hope for animals and nature. But how did this young girl from England become a world-renowned primatologist and anthropologist? Let's delve deeper. A trip to Africa in 1957 changed the course of Jane Goodall's life. This was the year when Jane, a young woman from England with a deep love for animals, met renowned anthropologist Louis Leakey. Their encounter was not a coincidence, but a testament to Goodall's unwavering passion. Leakey, captivated by Jane's innate curiosity and understanding of animals, saw potential in her. Despite her lack of formal education in the field, he believed that she could make significant contributions to primatology. He saw in Jane not a lack of credentials, but a fresh perspective, unclouded by preconceived notions. With his guidance, Jane embarked on an expedition to Gombe, Tanzania. Here, she would dive deep into the world of chimpanzees, observing and studying their behavior in their natural habitat, a task that was daunting, yet exciting. A task that would ultimately lead to groundbreaking discoveries about these fascinating creatures. And so, the journey began. A journey that would revolutionize the way we perceive non-human animals. In the wilds of Gombe, Jane Goodall made discoveries that shook the scientific community. As she ventured into the heart of Tanzania, Jane was about to embark on a journey that would redefine our understanding of the animal kingdom. In the lush forests of Gombe, she found herself amidst a thriving society of chimpanzees, our closest living relatives. Jane observed, with a keen eye and an open heart, the intricate lives of these fascinating creatures. It was here that Jane made her groundbreaking observation. Chimpanzees, just like humans, use tools. They would pick up twigs, strip them of their leaves, and use them to fish for termites. This discovery was revolutionary. Until then, tool use was deemed a uniquely human trait, setting us apart from the rest of the animal kingdom. But here were chimpanzees, challenging this very notion. Jane's observations didn't stop at tool use. She noticed complex social behavior amongst the chimpanzees. They formed close-knit communities, displaying cooperation, competition, and even reconciliation. They cared for their young, mourned their dead, and exhibited a spectrum of emotions. They were not just surviving, they were living, thriving in their society, much like us humans in our own. Perhaps most compellingly, Jane observed that chimpanzees, like humans, also displayed a range of human-like emotions. They showed joy, sadness, fear, and love. They had personalities, identities. They were not mere animals, they were individuals with their own stories. These discoveries had a profound impact on our understanding of primates and our own species. They blurred the line between man and beast, suggesting that we are not so different after all. They challenged us to rethink our place in the animal kingdom, to reconsider our relationship with these incredible beings. Jane Goodall's time in Gombe was transformative, not just for her, but for the entire scientific community. Her findings were revolutionary, blurring the line between man and beast, and forever changing the field of primatology. Beyond the jungles of Gombe, Dr. Goodall's influence extends to the corners of the globe. Dr. Jane Goodall, a name synonymous with compassionate conservation, committed her life to understanding and preserving our natural world. Her legacy, however, extends far beyond her groundbreaking chimpanzee research. In 1977, Dr. Goodall founded the Jane Goodall Institute. This global, community-centered conservation organization empowers people to make a difference for all living things. The Institute's work is guided by Dr. Goodall's belief that when we understand the interconnectedness of all things, we can fully appreciate and protect the natural world. Dr. Goodall's commitment to advocacy and education didn't stop there. Appointed as a United Nations Messenger of Peace in 2002, she used this platform to spread her message of hope and urgency. She tirelessly advocated for the rights of animals, the preservation of habitats, and the reduction of human impact on the environment. Her tireless efforts did not go unnoticed. Dr. Goodall's contributions to science and conservation have been recognized with numerous awards and accolades. These include the French Legion of Honor, the Kyoto Prize, and the Gandhi King Award for Nonviolence. Her life and work have inspired countless documentaries, books, and even a Google Doodle. But perhaps the most significant impact of Dr. Goodall's work is the way it has changed our understanding of animals and our relationship with the natural world. Her research challenged the belief that humans are separate from, or superior to, other animals. She taught us that we are part of a complex, interconnected web of life. And so, the legacy of Dr. Jane Goodall is one of understanding, compassion, and respect for all living things. It's a legacy of hope, a belief that every individual has the power to make a difference. Dr. Jane Goodall, a woman who dared to follow her passion, who challenged the status quo and in doing so, taught us the true meaning of being human. So, what can we learn from Dr. Jane Goodall's life and work? Indeed, there's a multitude of lessons to be drawn from her extraordinary journey that began as a young girl in England, full of curiosity and a deep love for animals. Her story is a testament to the power of perseverance. Despite facing numerous obstacles and skepticism, she remained steadfast in her pursuit of knowledge about chimpanzees. She didn't let anything deter her, proving that determination can pave the way to groundbreaking discoveries. Her passion is another key cornerstone. It's her love for these creatures that drove her to spend years in the wild, observing and learning from them. This passion fueled her lifelong commitment, showing us that when we truly care about something, we can make significant contributions. Lastly, Dr. Goodall's dedication to her cause is inspirational. She has spent decades advocating for animal rights and environmental conservation, a testament to the impact one person can have on our understanding of the world. Dr. Jane Goodall, a testament to the power of curiosity and the impact one person can have on our understanding of the world.